Let's start to study GK book, chapter 25, famous places in India. Tick the correct answer. Okay, one number, the center of cellular and molecular biology is situated at New Delhi. Sorry, Hyderabad. Okay, first question, C, Hyderabad. Second number, where is the railway staff college located? Barodara. Third number, Bagh of Blaze in Gwalior is famous for cave painting. Correct answer. Wadia Institute of Himalaya Geology is located at Dehradun. Correct. Bijapur is known for its. Right answer will be Gol Gumbaz. Sixth number, the headquarters of the National Power Training Institute of located at. So right answer will be Faridabad. Seven number, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University is at which of the following places? So right answer will be Aurangabad. Eighth number and last question. The Indian Institute of Science is located at Bangalore. Right answer will be Bangalore. ओके पहले नंबर एक गलत हो गया था, वो सी होगा, हैदराबाद. वन नंबर आंसर विल बी सी, हैदराबाद. Yes, this question. The center of cellular and molecular biology is situated at. Right answer, Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, next chapter. 26. Chapter large than life. Please आप लोग put fill in the blank. Large than life. These Indians have achieved greatness in their respective fields. Read the clues and write the names of these living legends. Choose from the utility box. One number, he is a world renowned cardiac surgeon. He founded Narayana Harudyala, a multi-specialist hospital in 2001 in Bangalore. He is a philanthropist and does not charge any fee from the poor patient. So right answer will be Dr. Devi Shetty. Okay, Dr. Devi Shetty. Second number, he is a retired Indian engineering service officer, popular known as the Metro Man. He has been instrumental in making the Delhi Metro what it is today. Under his guidance, his team has been able to complete the different section of the metro by their target date. So right answer will be E. Sridharan. E. Sridharan. Second number answer will be E. Sridharan. Be careful and right answer. Third number. His real name is Sampuran Singh Kalra. He is popularly known by his pen name. He is an Indian poet, lyrist and film director. He also directs a number of television serials. So right answer will be third, Gulzar. Third number answer, Gulzar. Fourth number, he is very well known for his work in environmental conservation. He was the chair of the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change. He held the post of from 2002 until his resignation in 2015, during which time the organization was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. So right answer for R.K. Poncherry. R.K. Poncherry. Phone number. 5 number. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of India. He is probably the only technically correct cricketer in the world. Many players have big records, but nobody ever played cricket stranger than him. His technique against fast bowlers was better than Sachin Tendulkar. So 5 number answer will be Sunil Gavaskar.